Alright, so we have the Fractal design Meshify Mini tempered glass MicroATX case we're going to be looking at here.
Yeah, and we're also going to do an epic unboxing. That's what I like to call it.
That's what she likes to call it, is an epic unboxing. I don't really understand what epic unboxings are, but...
Don't blame me. Blame FGTV. Don't blame me. Don't blame me.
Don't blame you. Okay. Alright, so we got the knife here.
Yep, and you're going to just cut it open right here.
You're going to hold the camera for us?
Yeah.
Alright.
I never knew how smoothly this camera ran.
We'll try this way.
And then you'll cut it open at the bottom. And cut it every way which way he can. And then I'll give it back to him. Of course. And then
Alright.
I'm going to do the part where it unboxes.
Alright. So here we go. Alright, Fractal design. Now, no, let's just turn this over now. Alright, so we'll turn it over on the side.
And then we'll just kind of be like that. And then...
Alright, now just pull the top off. Bingo!
Bam!
Alright, so
Box is done.
let's see where we go from here.
First
Alright,
of all,
there we
might
go.
need to take off those.
So here, now this is the tempered glass one, so we've got to be a little more careful with it, okay? Because that glass will break.
Yeah.
Alright, so just pull this off. So there it is.
Beautiful. Wait, this is glass?
Meshify
Where's the glass, Dad?
tempered glass. Removable dust filter up top.
Uh-huh.
Magnetic.
Oh, we don't even... This is where the glass is.
Two USB 3.0 ports up front. Power button, reset button, microphone, headphones.
We have black glass here. It has most...
Pretty dark tinted glass on the side.
It has...
Thumb screws to remove the glass.
Remove the glass to show you what's inside. And there is stuff inside. My dad will not tell you where he got this. The glass comes off with magnetic little pads.
Those are just pads for support. Alright, look out. We got to see inside. So it comes with two fans, two Fractal design fans, 120mm fans. Alright, turn on its side.
Is it this? This is the side, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, so we can see in there, not too bad. Similar shroud cover.
Yeah.
For the power supplies.
It has a little slant right there.
And these are not PWM fans.
Nope, they are not.
Right, so let's turn it over.
I like playing with the fans, but I don't want to...
Nice little ATX power supply.
Yep. And there's screws over here too.
For ease of installation of the power supply, a little support bracket.
And
then thumb screws on the side. And this is nice because these thumb screws, they're attached to the side panel.
yes, and here's what's in here.
Right.
And there's also... Oh! Was I supposed to do that? I'm going to try to take this out so that it doesn't hurt anything.
The hard drive bracket that they include with the case. It's readily attached. Well, continues to have the attachable thumb screws.
Yes,
It's a good thing for me because I tend to lose things. So.
Yeah, because sometimes he gets angry.
Okay, I'll get that.
Okay. Oh, you could do that? I never knew that.
I do believe those are... Here. I do believe those... Well, that's the accessories that goes with the case. I'm not going to open that yet.
Yeah, so These
I thought these were.
these are the accessories.
I thought these hard drive bays were toolless, but they're not. I don't think. We'll find out once we actually install or build this computer.
Yeah, and we're not going to record that, I'm pretty sure. So these are the accessories. We have some four screws, 20 of these, 8 of these, 1 of those, which is reasonable.
Do you even know what that is?
I don't even know what that is.
It's a standoff tool.
Well, I think that's pretty reasonable.
So you see these right here?
Yes.
Those are the standoffs.
Yes.
You put those
those
inside
two
of that,
together, though.
and then it helps you install, and it comes with cable ties as well.
And it also comes with that kind of screw.
Yep. So pretty simple.
Yep. We're not going to
Put that in
open
there.
that until we start building the computer. Then we will help you. Are we going to record the...
Yes, we're going to record the build.
Okay, can I help you with the build?
Yes, you can.
Yay! So what are we doing?
So,
Father,
nice
what
little...
are we going to use this?
Can I talk a little bit more real quick, please? Okay. So these, the mounting brackets in the back for the video cards,
Yeah.
they're not the ones you bend and break out, so you can replace them. So, alright.
Kind of
Don't mess with that.
wrapper.
So let's see how easily this front panel comes off. So I don't know if you can see in there, but it has those brackets that you pinch, and it pushes out the front panel. This is a lot better, I think, than some of these other cases that I've seen,
Yeah.
because it prevents you from breaking them. I broke a
How many dollars?
I broke one of these things off of my Corsair 400C case.
How much money was that, though?
I don't know.
So, I am not a professional computer builder. He's the one who bought this, and so I have a question.
Yes.
So,
A removable dust filter, bottom fans.
yeah, but
That's pretty much it. It looks just like the original Fractal design, Meshify C.
what if
Obviously, it's a little different.
I have one question. What if you break the glass on the computer?
Well, then
Because
you
of-
broke the glass. There's nothing you can do about it. Buy replacement glass.
Maybe.
Sorry about the camera work, guys. I would have
Forgot
my
what I was
daughter
gonna
doing
ask you
it.
the
She's
next
supposed to be epically unboxing this thing, but we've kind of failed on that, haven't we?
Yeah.
So
Yeah, we already
that's
have.
Sarah. That's my daughter.
Yeah, we're
Don't pull that plastic off.
doers.
Right,
But
so
what is the plastic for?
it's to keep fingerprints off of it. So put this back in.
How much money was this computer case?
So this case was $89.
Wow. That's cheaper. Probably cheaper than.
That Corsair was $69.
Wow.
I got it on Black Friday.
What about that one? With all
The mining rig up there.
Yeah.
Well, I paid $19 for the shelf there, shelving system. Each graphics card were ranged from anywhere from $400 to $470.
Wow.
The power supply was $80. Motherboard was $45. The RAM was $50. Processor was $40.
That's
That's
as
pretty much it. Riser cards, I think those were like $8 a piece.
That's as
Not
much
too
as
bad.
how.
And then the monitor's just a normal 1080p 60 hertz from AOC.
That's more than $1 million.
No, it's not. No,
That
it's not, silly.
has to be.
All right, so let's put it back together.
Yeah.
Actually, why don't you go right over there at my computer desk and see down below there.
Down below.
On the shelf over there to the right.
On the shelf over to the...
Alright, see that box there that's got red, it's red and black? No, yeah, right there. Grab that and bring it over here.
Alright.
So there's the Corsair Carbide 400C. I bought on Black Friday for about $70. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all the components out of here.
Out of there?
We have the GTX 1080 Duke. Several Thermaltake Ring 12 fans.
Like
Then
this one,
there's the
that one.
Thermaltake Contact Silent 12 CPU cooler. I got a review on Hub Pages that will be coming up there shortly.
And there is also a closable glass on this one, but
And then
we don't need to mention
you can see in there you've got the Corsair Vengeance RAM, 16 gigabytes, and then the Corsair MP500 NVMe drive. And this is all on the Tomahawk Z270 motherboard with an i7 7700K. So, but all these components, for the most part, are going to come out of here. I may leave the power supply in. This computer could easily just throw an RX 580 in, and you'd still be able to game fairly well on it with the RAM. So I'm taking out is the graphics card, the fans, the CPU cooler, and the RAM. So I'm taking all that out of there. I'm going to put it into this Meshify C Mini here, and then I'm also going to build me.
One job, but failed miserably.
I'm going to put that in the ASRock Fatal1ty AB350 Gaming ITX, which I'm going to either put a Ryzen 5 2600 in or a Ryzen 7 2700 in. In which case I'll do that, and that will be my gaming slash productivity system build that I will be taking to Korea with me as I go where Uncle Sam sends me. So all the stuff that comes with this motherboard, SATA cable. It's got the 90-degree right bin antenna. Let's see, what else do we have? NVMe screw, the I/O panel, and then the supporting documents. No driver disk. That's pretty cool in the last antenna. So that's a surprise. They decided not to put driver disks in this, which is a good thing because nobody uses them anyway. So whatever. So that will be the basis of my new gaming and production system. I still don't know what I'm going to do with my 7700K system yet. I may give it to the little one right there. She has an Intel system right now that I built for her for Christmas. That is a Pentium G 4560. It also has a little GTX 470 in, I believe. So it runs pretty hot, but I refurbished it a little bit myself. So, what?
What will this computer be for? Will it be for gaming, mining?
I just said, baby.
Else?
It's for gaming and producing content.
Oh!
For YouTube.
Yay!
Okay.
So I can watch your...
You can watch it while I'm away, yes. Okay? Alright, so that's pretty much it. That's the unboxing of the Fractal Design Meshify C Mini MicroATX computer case, tempered glass edition, and the ASRock AB350 Gaming ITX motherboard.
The epic unboxing ends.
I really would like to see this case in a ITX, Mini ITX form. I think that would be a good move for Fractal Design. I would pay the extra, probably $40 they would charge for it. So it's a nice case, very nice case. Of course, I may change my mind after I build in it. The build will probably be near the end of April. and we'll see where we go from there. So, all right, appreciate everybody stopping by, and hope to see you next time.